Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Are you wondering about Sophie and what they offer for student loan refinancing and private student loans? Sophie is well known for helping students manage their loans, whether they want to refinance old loans or get new ones for college. Sophie is a trusted online lender for refinancing student loans and getting private student loans. It's great for students who want lots of benefits when they refinance their loans, and it's also good for those who want flexible ways to pay back private student loans without extra fees. The Sophie Student Refinancing Review showcases an accessible and attractive option for borrowers looking to manage their student loan debt more effectively. With a minimum credit score requirement of 650, it opens the door for a wide range of borrowers to consider refinancing. The rates offered are compelling, with a fixed APR ranging from 5.24% to 9.99% and a variable APR between 6.24% and 9.99%. These competitive rates provide an opportunity for significant savings, making Sophie a strong choice for those seeking to lower their monthly payments or overall interest on student loans. Sophie's competitive refinancing rates, ranging from 5.24% to 9.99% APR, stand out against ISL loan refinances 6.81%, 11.83%, and Lendkeys 7.11%, 11.18%. For a $50,000 loan, choosing Sophie could save you approximately $5,400 to $6,100 in interest over 10 years compared to ISL and LendKey, making it a potentially more cost-effective option for managing student loan debt. Pros: you can check if you qualify and your rate without hurting your credit score. They have experts to help you with your student loan debt. They offer extra help like career planning and job search assistance. Cons: the smallest amount you can borrow is more than what many other lenders offer. Sophie is best for students who want lots of benefits with their refinanced student loan. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to find more helpful financial tips and insights. More about Sophie. In 2012, Sophie became the first to refinance both federal and private student loans together. You'll have a better chance of getting approved if your credit score is over 750. Sophie accepts students who have at least an associate degree. They also let students with federal loans lock in an interest rate now but keep the federal loan benefits until they're ready to switch. Sophie offers perks like free career coaching and no-fee investing, but they don't have a cosigner release option. They could improve by offering more help for tough times and letting you remove a cosigner. Details on Sophie's loans. They offer loans that range from 5 to 20 years. You can borrow from $5,000 up to the total amount you owe on other loans. They don't charge application or origination fees, and there are no penalties for paying off your loan early. Requirements: you need at least a 650 credit score. You should be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. You need to have graduated with at least an associate degree from a school that's eligible for federal aid. Repayment options. Sophie offers several ways to pause or reduce your payments if you're going back to school, in the military, or facing a tough time. In conclusion, Sophie offers a supportive and comprehensive service for your student loan needs, with competitive refinancing options, private loans, and extra benefits like career coaching. Whether you're refinancing or seeking a new loan, Sophie's user-friendly and trustworthy approach makes it an excellent choice for a smart educational financial plan. Don't let the stress of student loans hold you back from your dreams. Click the link in the description to learn more about Sophie and discover how they can help you take control of your student loans and pave a smoother path towards your future. Your journey to financial freedom and educational success is just a click away. Don't let the stress of student loans hold you back from your dreams. Click the link in the description to learn more about Sophie and discover how they can help you take control of your student loans and pave a smoother path towards your future. Your journey to financial freedom and educational success is just a click away. Thanks for watching.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.